Time to pick the basket! Off to the garden! Wow, so many fruits! And yummy veggies too! Time to pick some apples! This one looks perfect! Almost full!
Lights upon the wall, jumps too high and starts to fall. Then she stares like, who did that? Such a funny
Time to wash all these apples perfectly! Wow, look at the garden! The weather is so awesome!
little queen goes fast to sleep.
Okay, apples are in! Now for the milk.
Tiny stars above.
And more apples. A little sugar. Time to blend. 1 glass for me. And 1 for Mom. Yummy! I should serve this to my mom. Mommy, I made this smoothie for you.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. Bring it here.
Here you go, Mommy.
It's delicious. You're the best.
Dear, would you mind making some berry jam for me?
Of course not, Mommy. I should go pick berries from the garden. These blueberries look so yummy. 1 for the basket. Time to go home now. I'm home! Let's see what I picked. Washing blueberries so shiny and sweet. Under the water, they dance and they gleam. Rub them gently, make them all clean. Beautiful berries, a wonderful treat. Time to blend these yummy blueberries. Perfect. Now let's pour it. Into the pot it goes. Cooking smells so good. Its taste is so yummy. We should always wash all the veggies properly before cooking. This makes sure they're clean and safe. Now they're ready. Let's start with the carrot. Now the potato. Some chicken for protein. Next is the onion. And paprika for color. Next I'll choose a potato. Now for the chicken. Just a little more stirring. Okay, time to serve, Mommy.
Oh, my little one, is that for me?
Yes, Mommy, fresh soup.
Thank you, dear. It smells wonderful.
Dear, have you also made the berries jam for me?
Yes, Mommy.
My sweet child.
Dear friends, we should always help our mother in cooking. You can also tell me what should I cook next. Dear viewers, if you liked me, please like, share, and subscribe to Kids Fear.